Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, this is kind of another, addition to the haul that I did, like maybe a week back or so. But, I got some new products in the mail, and I'm very excited to show you guys. I kind of, unboxed them and kind of put them together like off camera so I wouldn't have to do it all on one camera, and film it and whatnot. But I'm very excited because this is my first purchase from this brand and I'm very excited. And we have Oden's Eye. So I've got the new Christmas Eve palette, which I've never been able to get the original Christmas Eve palette from Oden's Eye, and I wanted it so bad, because I was told that, I heard on YouTube that they're missing some key shades in here, like the shade Christmas Eve. But I feel like I can let that slide because I want to cover the mirror, but I feel like I could get, there we go. This is the Christmas Eve palette. And I think it's really pretty. I feel like it's very close to what the original was. So I'm very happy. I have not tried this out yet. But there's that. And then trying to got the Christmas Eve, and I think this is the Merry Christmas palette. They don't necessarily give the names of the palettes on there, but this is definitely more of a Christmas, esque palette. I would say this makes more cohesive sense. But I'm not saying, this definitely screams Christmas Eve to me. I just wish that they would have had the sparkly light blue shade and the dark blue. Which I hope this is more of a dark blue or dark teal-ish shade, because I can use this. I can definitely use this. But these just look so pretty. Ooh, I almost want to swatch them. I'm not gonna swatch the whole palette, but I definitely want to swatch a few shades just to see what I'm working with. Ooh. I'll get a makeup wipe. I'm not gonna lick my fingers, I promise. But what else do I want to swatch? I want to swatch this shade. And I didn't write down any of the shade names, unfortunately. I kind of just popped them in without kind of having a plan. I just wanted to get this kind of, in a way, completed, in its palette before I showed you guys. But those are some of the shades. They're very, very pretty. I definitely can't wait to, ooh, that dark one. But that one looks really, really pretty. In person, it looks very pretty. On camera, I'm like, I hate the way that I swatch on this arm. But these two shades I definitely would want to play around with. And I definitely want to make sure I don't have a whole lot of sparkle on my fingers. I want to swatch this a really light yellow shimmer. Ooh. Look at that. In person, it kind of reflects a little green. And I like that. It's very pretty. And I was told that this shade was a more satin shimmer in the original, so I'm kind of glad that it's a matte this go around, because I don't have very many individual yellow matte shades in my collection, so I am very excited to see this in action. Let's swatch one more. Ooh. I feel like that shade right there, like on my finger, it seems more like a rose gold taupe almost, which I'm not mad at. I feel like I could get away with everyday looks and wild looks with this palette, and I'm very excited. But I figured I'd wipe off those swatches and swatch some of the Merry Christmas palette, I think. Gosh. It's like I just want to make sure that there's like a lot of shimmer on my hands, believe it or not. And all the way up and down my arm, even though it doesn't show on camera. But I want to swatch this light green shimmer. But I think I might use my other hand for swatching this time. Oh. Oh. I don't have very many shades like this, and I'm in love. Already obsessed. I know you'd never see me raving over a green, but here it is. Love acid greens. I almost want to swatch the dark green shimmer too. Ooh. That looks really pretty, actually. I feel like I might be able to actually get used to it out of these green shades. Ooh. What one do I want to swatch? There's so many. I almost want to swatch this orange shade. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. I like that. I like unique shades like that. Like, that almost looks like a shifty shade. And I like that. Just making sure I don't have very much shimmer on my fingers. I want to swatch. I really just want to swatch all the shimmers. Does that sound selfish? Yeah, but is it? No. Because, oh my gosh, they are fucking pretty. Ah! Why? Why do all things have to be so pretty? And I heard the creator of Oden's Eye is actually on YouTube. I think her name is Angelica Nikavist. I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. But, girl, whatever you're doing, you're killing it. And I've been looking at Singe Beauty too, and I almost want to get some stuff. But, I watch Angie a lot on YouTube, so I mean, like, seeing reviews on this and seeing her actually use, like, her own products, like, kind of influenced me to buy these. And let me just say they were not cheap. They were not cheap, but they were 100% worth it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Swatch cup. Ooh. That's like a... I'm running out of room to swatch. See, that's like a bronzy... Ooh. And I think I'm gonna swatch this pink. Oh. Oh, that's giving I'm a Barbie girl in a freaking Barbie world pink. And I love it. Ooh. Try to get all that off. But yeah, those are all the shimmers from the Merry Christmas palette. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I guess, like, if you want me to play around with these palettes, I definitely will. I want to get around to using all the palettes in my collection, which, the next video that I film is going to be kind of a, inventory video on my collection, but I'm gonna start with eyeshadow palettes, and I will make sure to include these in the inventory, so... But I will make one exception to that video, and I will not show my Pan That palette, because I want to wait till my Project Pan video to actually show you guys, because whoo-wee, there's gonna be a big update happening with that. Oof, oof, you guys are gonna like it. I promise. Like, you're gonna be like, she made that much progress? Yeah. So, stay tuned for that video, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!